Okay, that was creepy. Hitting the 3-minute mark. I'm gonna have to pause it again. Okay. So, what we've learned so far is to never go in an auditorium that's pitch black and has been rumored to hold a death. Like Brandon, stay at home, don't do drugs, I think. Okay, I'm gonna go upstairs. There's another. Whoa.